This wild camp felt like a gift, and our night under the stars is over. And as time begins to decelerate in this vast wilderness, we break camp and the tone has been set for our nomadic rhythm. We head east through the Baviaanskloof Mega Reserve and make our way to the upper reaches of the Kouga Dam. Water crossings will punctuate the day and we look forward to splashing about in the beast. We are optimistic to spot some wild animals too. I take the privilege of walking through nature's pristine essence that flows untainted from the mountains. As the cool water washes over my feet, I immediately feel a connection to the wild. Today is a little bit overcast, but nice, a lovely temperature. And we had the most beautiful evening at our wild camp. Lucky.
It was like winning the camping lotto.
Yeah, it was perfect. It had everything: mountains,
Yeah.
river,
Untouched bush.
untouched, no other people, no sign of life, proper wilderness.
And we camped right on the banks of the river. I mean, there was literally like, from where the car was to the river was maybe 2 meters. So we kept it up close up and personal.
Not a word of a lie. So yeah, today we're heading to Doodsklip. Also going to be camping next to
3 nights.
Yeah, 3 nights. There's a lovely breakfast coffee shop. The coffee is excellent there, so be sure to stop.
Ladies, if you have forgotten your bubble bath, your soap, your face cream, your toiletry bag, be sure to stop there. I have never seen such an extensive collection.
It's a pot stall full of beauty products. Yeah, so the breakfast was good and the coffee was excellent. So yeah, now we're on our way. It might even rain today. We're not sure, but yeah, let's see where we end up again. Cheerio. The Baviaanskloof stands as an epitome of the wild, where thrill seekers and explorers discovered the allure of rugged landscapes and untamed beauty. The recent rains were plentiful, and the vegetation is lush and the rivers are gushing with water. The thrill of crossing these rivers must be experienced to be appreciated.
Watch this.
Turn right.
Eons of geological processes have shaped the landscape, leaving behind towering cliffs, sweeping plateaus, and meandering riverbeds. The geological features not only contribute to the scenic beauty, but also serve as a living testament to the dynamic forces that have sculpted the Baviaanskloof Mega Reserve over countless millennia. Against this backdrop of raw grandeur, we traverse the 8.3 kilometer Grasnek Pass, consisting of 83 bends that thread a route through these mountains. The highlight is the ridge view with a 360-degree view of untamed wilderness.
What did I say about corrugations? Yeah, I don't think a grader has been through here. I don't know.
What grade of grader?
Just, there's never been a grader. So, Baviaanskloof is how I remember it. Very bumpy ride. But that's okay. So come prepared, for the shakes. You need tie downs for the false teeth, and yeah, make sure your glass eye doesn't pop out.
At the enchanting Doodsklip camp on the edge of the Kouga Dam. This imposing backdrop will be our home for the next couple of days, where we dial down and tune into nature. Join us in the next episode, where we will be cooking up something special on the fire.
remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please. We value your subscriptions.
Support.
And
We feel the
subscribes.
love, and it's a free way to support us.